All rise. JudgeVondaB court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1017, Allen case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mrs. Allen or Miss Allen?
It's Mrs. still.
Mrs. Okay. You brought this case before the court.
Well, my husband and I have been separated for 5 months.
Okay.
And now I have filed for divorce. He has started seeing someone else, and I would like back pay for our son. He is 12 years old.
Okay. Do you want back pay because he's seeing someone else?
Well, because he is supporting somebody else. He's no longer in our home. Okay. And I would like to have back pay and start paying child support for our son, that he is living with me.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're not, you want back pay for the child, right? Not necessarily because he's moved on.
Yes.
Hold on tight, because this courtroom showdown is about to get intense. The stakes are high and emotions are spiraling. Meet Mrs. Allen, who has been separated from her husband for 5 months. She is in court seeking not only a divorce, but also demanding back pay for child support. But here is the twist. Her ex-husband's new girlfriend once sat across from her as a yoga student. Now the drama deepens. What does this mean for the case? Can money and emotions really stay separate? Or is there a hidden layer we have not seen yet? Stay tuned, because this story is building toward shocking numbers and decisions that could change their lives forever.
Since he left, has he given you any type of support?
Yes.
Okay, how much?
About
600.
600 each month?
Money orders every month, ma'am.
Okay, money orders, okay, good. And it looks like you turned those in to me. Okay, so you want child support and back pay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. And what do you have to say about that?
I don't think I need to give back pay. It's like we just had mentioned. I've been giving her $600 every month in money orders. Plus I take care of the insurance.
Okay, and how much is the insurance exactly?
Insurance is $109.
Okay, and I like that you came prepared with your notes and stuff. You don't see too many people come to court with their documents, so that's good. So about this significant other, do you believe that that's the reason you're being brought to court now?
Yes, completely.
Okay, is there a story behind that? Like, did they have an argument, a disagreement?
Well, they don't like each other.
I mean, obviously.
Well, thing is, she's a yoga instructor.
Okay.
And she works, she does her yoga. And the woman I'm seeing now actually is a former student of hers.
Oh, so you know her.
Knew her.
You knew her?
Yes.
Were you guys friends?
She was acquaintance that I'd help her, took her under my wing. She's younger, she's 20 years younger than me.
You're mad about that?
I'm not happy about it. I mean, wouldn't you be? I mean, what do you expect, you know?
Well, me personally, you know, this has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, it's caught me off guard. I do focus myself a lot at work. He's upset, I'm on him, so I guess that's why he's decided to find somebody else.
She's focused on her work and not on me and her son. And that's the reason why we're having issues now.
Okay. And that's the reason, obviously, why you guys are split and you're with someone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Based on your financial documents that you provided, it looks like you own an accounting firm. You make about $85,000 a year?
Correct.
Okay. And health insurance, you said, who covers that?
I do.
How much is that?
$109 a month.
Okay. So what we are going to do is calculate your child support.
Wow, this case just took another turn. Mrs. Allen's frustration is not only about her ex moving on, but about what she sees as a lack of real support for their son. Here is the catch. Though her ex has been paying $600 a month, along with insurance for their child, she is now demanding back pay, claiming he is supporting someone else instead. But is it truly fair to push for back pay simply because of his new relationship? Or could this be more about trying to squeeze extra money out of him? The court now has to sort through the emotions and the math in this complicated fight, and the outcome might surprise everyone.
Calculation comes out to, if there is a difference, then the back pay would be, what you've already paid would be a credit towards that. So you wouldn't necessarily get the full amount of what the back pay should be. And you shouldn't expect it, because he has proof that he's giving you money and you actually agreed that he's been giving you money. So based on your $85,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,974. Net comes out to $5,493.29. And I gave you credit for your medical, the child, and that's for the child only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I gave you credit for that. So that brings your child support obligation, well, not the full amount, but it's $1,098.60, okay? $1,098.60. And when you multiply that by 5 months, back pay comes out to $5,493, giving you credit for what you've paid. You said $600?
Yes.
Okay, so $600 times 5 for the past 5 months will be $3,000. That's what you get a credit for. So when you apply the credit to the $5,493, it comes out to $2,493 that's remaining for back.
Now comes the legal math, and this is where things start to tighten. The judge breaks down every number, factoring in credits for the insurance payments the husband has been covering. But the twist is that according to his income, he should actually be paying about $1,098 a month in child support. That means the $600 he has been sending doesn't measure up. It falls short of the legal requirement. So the big question is whether his partial payments hold any weight in court, or if he is simply failing to meet his full obligation. This is the turning point, and it could decide which way the ruling goes.
That we kind of make sure you pay that over time. You want to cover the interest on the amount each month.
Okay.
So you can do about $149 would be interest if you do like 6% interest every month, which is what the state is entitled to. So about $150 a month would cover the interest, and you would add that to the monthly child support obligation. So that will make your monthly, your full monthly child support obligation dollars.
Okay. But
And once that $2,493 is paid in full, the amount will go back down to the $1,098.60.
Okay, but why do I need to pay you back pay?
I mean, I've been giving her money. I think the 600 was sufficient.
Well, technically, it is good that you did give her money, but your child support obligation based on what you make comes out to about $400 more than that. So you were short. Had you been giving her $1,000 a month, it would have probably...
Now it's crunch time, and the back pay calculation seals the deal. The judge makes it clear the husband owes for the past 5 months, but credits him for the $600 monthly payments he's already made. The math comes out to a total of $5,493 in back support. Subtract the $3,000 he already paid, and the balance left is just under $20,500. But here's the sting. This isn't the end of the bill. The state will tack on interest to that back pay, which means the longer it sits unpaid, the bigger it grows. It's basically a ticking financial time bomb waiting to explode.
$100 or something like that. But yeah, that's the reason why you have back pay owed. But you did get a credit for the $600 that you did give her for the past 5 months.
The tension in the courtroom reaches its peak as the judge delivers the ruling loud and clear. For the next few months, the husband's wallet takes a heavier hit, with payments climbing to about $1,248 each month. That figure covers not only the standard child support, but also the added interest stacked on top of the back pay. And here's the twist. Once that lingering debt is fully cleared, his responsibility drops back down to $1,098 per month. Now here's the big question. Is this truly fair? After all, he's already been handing over $600 for the past 5 months. Some might say he was doing something, but the truth is he was still falling short. And in court, coming up short carries consequences. This decision shows how fairness inside the courtroom isn't always about feelings. It's about the numbers, the law, and the responsibility you can't dodge.
Do y'all have any other questions? Anything else we need to discuss here today? Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. You're welcome.
And that's the final word. The husband walks out facing a serious financial adjustment. What he thought was enough at $600 a month has turned into a back pay bill of $2,493 plus a new monthly child support tag of more than $1,200. For him, it's a reality check, and for Mrs. Allen, it's a victory. But here's the question that lingers. Did the court get it right, or is this a case of pushing the limits too far? Should his $600 have been considered fair, or was it always falling short? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this ruling is bound to divide opinions. And if you love these courtroom showdowns, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more cases that will leave you questioning what justice really looks like, only here on Truth of Court.